Do you know which fuel pump your VW engine is using? Because these engines can run either a generator or an alternator, there's two different fuel pumps which use two different push rods, and it's important not to mix them up. This is the generator style fuel pump, and this one's the alternator style. Because the alternator is much wider than the generator, it can interfere with the original fuel pump. Now, there's two things that stand out in how VW handled this. First, the alternator pump is shorter, and it sits on an angle rather than straight up. And second, if you look underneath, the generator pump has a recess where the lever sits, while the alternator version sits flush. That difference allows the pump to sit slightly lower, but what that means is the pushrod position has changed. So the pushrod length has to match the lever position. And that's why they're made shorter for the alternator style pump. If you mix these pushrods up, you'll either not pump enough fuel, or you can damage the fuel pump. A short rod in a tall pump won't move the lever enough, and the long rod in a short pump moves it too much. So if you're replacing your fuel pump, make sure the pushrod matches the pump style. One way to check this is during installation. Rotate the engine until the pushrod is at its highest point. Then place the pump on the spacer. You should feel the spring resistance from the lever as you push the pump down, but it should sit comfortably on the spacer. By the way, that plastic spacer is important, and it's used for both pump versions.